The ever capable and always culpable. Constable Finstable.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to another exciting edition of the ever capable and always culpable Constable Finstable. That's me. Tonight we've got a special guest and a special treat. Frankie is with us. So, Frankie, take it away. What are you going to make for us today?
Well, I figured I'll show you how to make all the different kinds of garlic bread, all right? So, you got this big, delicious, juicy piece of bread right here. Instead of cutting it all up and making it all small, don't worry about it. What you can do, let me show you. You want to cut one of the corners off, kind of diagonal like. You put that to the carry, put them to the side. Then you got this big, massive piece over here. You see that? Oh yeah, look at that. It's no good until you cut it all the way. Then we're gonna start up our pan here. All right, we got some special elixir over here in this little pan here. We don't want to see it just yet. I'll show you later. So you got this big piece of bread. Look at that. Instead of cutting a piece of garlic bread all small and puny, you're gonna make a big one. All right. So we're gonna get a spoon. We're gonna put some of this delicious elixir over here. You see that? Look at that. A little olive oil, a little garlic, yeah, that's right, kiddo. A couple of spices. And you're going to put some of that in the pan. All right? And so what you'll have, tell us what we'll have. What will we have? I'll show you, kid, all right? Just take it easy. This, as it's heating up, is going to be the toast of Texas, all right? Oh, yes, Texas toast. Quite good, sir. Quite good. Yes, I know. It's good. It's good. So, we're going to let that steep. I probably recommend we do two installments over here. And you're going to cook that good. There's going to be a couple of other ones. In the meantime, let me show you this. This is balsamic vinegar. Different kinds of vinegars. You can get flavored vinegar. This one happens to be chocolate and black cherry. And a little bit of olive oil. It's good to go. What we're going to do with it now is add some of this here delicious butter. Just a little bit, so when you go to dip your bread later, it's going to be perfect. You see that? Oh yeah, look at that. So I say we come back at part 2, and I'll tell you how it goes. You got that, Finstable?
Oh, quite agree. I quite agree. This is going to be delightful. Thank you all for joining us. Please tune in for part 2, and here we go.
The ever capable and always culpable.